I can't resist this delicious dessert. Cut a few bananas into thin rounds and put them in a large bowl. Crack 2 eggs. Add a few tablespoons of Nesquik. Pour in condensed milk. Blend all the ingredients with a blender until smooth. Pour in milk. Add a few tablespoons of flour. Baking powder. Mix the batter with a whisk. Pour a ladle of batter onto the hot pan. Fry the pancakes in the usual way. 4 minutes on both sides. Put the pancakes on a plate. Pour condensed milk into the glass. Add a few thin slices of lemon to the glass. Whip the cream a little. Fill the glass with whipped cream. Take a pancake. Mix vanilla-flavored pudding powder and sugar in the saucepan. Pour in water. Boil the cream, stirring continuously until it thickens. Cool the cream in the bowl for 30 minutes. Remove the plastic wrap from the bowl. Add condensed milk. A few pieces of butter. Mix the cream a little. Add butter and mix the cream until it becomes firm. Spread the pancake with an even layer of cream. Assemble the cake from a few pancakes with Nesquik and a few layers of vanilla cream. See how simple it is to make? Like a children's game. Spread the edges of the cake with cream and chill for 2 hours. An easy-to-make and delicious dessert that you fall in love with from the first bite.